Welcome to tutorials on C programming. These tutorials are based on the textbook The C Programming Language written by Dennis Ritchie and Brian. This video tutorial is about bitwise operators in C language. This is based on the chapter Types, Operators and Expressions. Bitwise operators. C provides 6 operators for bit manipulation. They are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, left shift, right shift, and ones complement. Bitwise AND operator. The bitwise AND operator is used to mask off some set of bits. Suppose we have A equal to 0x75, which is represented as 0111 0101 in binary, and we want to mask the LSB of A. For that, you have to AND LSB with zeros and MSB with ones. So we have B is equal to 0xF0. So the AND operation between A and B will result in 0111 0000. Here you can see the LSB of A is masked off and is now completely zeros, and the MSB remain as it is. Bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator is used to turn bits on. That means, suppose you have x equal to 0x65 and you want to turn on the second bit of LSB to 1, or you want to turn on the second bit. So now it is 0. So in order to turn it on, you have to OR with a value in which the second bit is 1. So we have set on as 0x02, which is represented in binary as 00000010. So you can clearly see there second bit is 1. So after ORing, the result is 01100111. So if you compare the result with x, you can see it is same as x except that the second bit of LSB is set to 1. So here what happens is x equal to x OR set on. It sets to 1 the bit in x that are set to 1 in set on. Bitwise exclusive OR operator. It sets a 1 in each bit position where its operand have different bits and 0 where they are same. Suppose we have A is 0x53 and B as 0x23. A is denoted in binary as 01010011 and B is denoted as 00100011. So as per the XOR operation, when the bits are different, the result is 1, and when the bits are same, the result is 0. So here, when you XOR 1 and 1, the result will be 0, and when you XOR 0 and 1, the result will be 1. So we have the final result as 01110000. Left shift and right shift operator in C. They perform the left and right shift of the left operand by the number of bit positions given by the right operand. And please note that the right operand must always be non-negative. For example, x left shift by 2 shifts the value of x by 2 position towards the left side and fills the vacated bits with 0. X left shift by 2 is equivalent to multiplication by 4. Suppose you have x equal to 3, which is denoted by 00000011 in binary. If you shift it by 2 bits towards the left, you get the answer as 00001100, which is 12. That is 3 multiplied by 4 gives you 12, and when you left shift 3 by 2 bits, you get the same answer. Now let's see right shift. Right shifting an unsigned quantity always fits the vacated bits with zeros. But right shifting a signed quantity will fill with bit signs on some machines and with zeros on others. Next operator is ones complement. As the name indicates, it gives ones complement of an integer. It converts each one bit into 0 and 0 into 1. Remaining part of this chapter will be uploaded in another video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.